Assalamu alaikum. Huriya kudin naves urban gardening program ge timwana session na hama marhaba dannawala. Den midiya de session ga hama kudin na beenuwa rangalo information libun kama hikura. Den miyadge session meandi introduction to urban gardening. So that means we will be talking a lot about what we talked about during the previous two sessions. The session gal libanu by information tang hama migi tere warabada apply kure vigenda na den hama to briefly summarize what we talked about during the previous sessions. It was about first we talked about agroecology. The agroecology ge tereng urban gardening na huri relation taka. Then we talked about Maldivian the local climate and climate ge tereng rajya ge climatic factors taka. Then our weather conditions taka echi ge sababun dandori kama nuata gasseddu man huri ekikal kantataka gule goton wahada kale. So today we'll go straight into urban gardening and we'll try to find out what this is about. Then me tereng food production na me aharmen misalaka me program ge tereng bilabong school ge me kureve masiketaka guleni kihine kan the relation between what we are doing right now and the theoretical knowledge of it. Ema furtam sualake aslo කාබෝතකිතේගේ වහ දක්කෑර කොන්තාකුන් හස්ල හරමන්න කාබෝතකිති ඇස්ක මෙවලන්ද කිහිනෙන් හිය හරමන් කාමි බේනු කුරතකිති උපෙදිගෙන් ඇස් සමිහුරි කාකු හද්දා එච්චිසෙන් හිය එබ ෆුරතම කාබෝතකිතේගේ කුඩ කුඩ හිස්ටරි එක බලාලාරවා our ancestors they were foragers. So foragers ke gotuga maanami kurani කාබෝතකිති හෝද මසකෙ කුරාබයි the people who were looking for stuff in the forests or along the river sides or around the coastal zones, people who were looking for food. That's the meaning of foraging. Then hevima forests tagu terega kuriga misalaka mihun direla mongera forest ke carryga villages alagen kudi communities tagu mihun direla mugie ema mihun dualage maccha eta gadiren eta waguten heda kore kaabo taketi hodam ege egota korevo masake tagu tere mihun duwa beenuwa wara nutrients mi diet ke tere hodige mi dani koreve masake tagu tereng eru padi miharu mi hadda gotaka kaabo taketi the people were not growing stuff on their own. They did not have farms. Emma Mihar, the farming as we know it today, it did not exist before. It came along much later. The colonies, the societies that they were known as hunter-gatherers. If you talk about livestock, livestock was domesticated and hunt from their environment. Then agricultural societies the madmadam form mi feshi kudi communities takuga dandwarikam maseketta kuram feshigen it's just the domesticate kuram feshi ge terega hama mihede ekikala crops ta vesimene live animals vesimene. Then gengolon magon concept ki aslo if we look after our environment, if we look after our forests, the forest and the environment will provide for us. Maharmenge veshi himaya kuri waraka no taharmenge forest tan eruga bahumbunak manyerugi forest ta mihun direla mundia a forest ta carryga etantam mihun environment e mahol himaya kuri waraka e mahol gatereng emihuna beenuwa kaabota kete diye libemunna. So people were sufficient, people were happy with the environment and people were happy with how they were living at that time. Then the changes that came along. As we went along, agricultural revolution came along, something called as we will get into details later on. And as agriculture revolution get terega then dandweri kamuge masikita feshige miyai population increase diuma ikiga land of some natural resources of some competition of edigen dam fishing. Hisabu mihun na mi majbur wani ituru goittaken hoda do den ya waraboda guligende ekkala mihun livelihoods bina kurumattaka amdani hodums and we'll look into it. Then over time, as time went by then wagututaken aharutake faitwam diya waraka de mihunge behaviors dani abadus changes that then people found out then it was not let's say practical komme doku kaabotake hodan eha bura masake kuranje it was not practical. So it started changing and people started refining their method of finding food. Kaabotake hodum emihun kura masaketaka changes annam fashagen was domesticate kuram feshimi janawara then eheni crops taka. Then en example ki misala ka harmenge tere mihar mihuri by fruits and vegetables ka lechisa ki they never existed in the wild. Wild ga huriechisen no henmas domestication process ke tereng as a selective breeding na then genetical modifications ke tereng by vegetables and fruits are existing as the way we know it today. With the agricultural revolutions, things started to change. So that's how the changes started happening. Then මඩුමඩුන් එක්කලා මේ changes අන්න මුන්දියවරක people started forgetting අස්ලු මිහුන්න හදාන්නෙතුනි කුරී zamaanග කිහිනෙක්කන් උළමුන් දියේ දෙම ෆෙෂීරු බුනිහෙන් people were relying on their environment, people were relying on their forest to provide for them. A system, a natural process as people started forgetting it. Again, beyond, people started moving beyond those processes and came into more conventional methods or modern methods as we know it today. And forests became barren lands, and forest cycle kuriga mihumi forage kuram beenum kuri forest lands takaichi started turning into barren land. Barren land ki mi mana kurani beenu nukureve kahala bintaka badal wegen daniye. The soil started degrading due to continuous cultivation and stuff. So ekal kantataka guligen once the productive land, the land which was so productive and sustaining so much life, it became barren. It was no longer productive. Then same thing happened. Misalka rivers kahalechi pollute wuma. Then overfishing led to diminishing of fish stocks, and which led to farming. Farming practices egatereve samekani eggamuga mikureve goamuge bavettako konno nota gahuge bavettakano farm kureva mediye hama ya eku farm kureva fish meat ke bavettave sama fish ke bavettave, and farming started expanding. Okay, so this is one of the examples de me waka dakkaalira misalaka did you know hey mihar mi kaam bedun kura by vegetables tado broccoli kahalechi cauliflower, cabbages, Brussels sprouts and collards or kales, copyfy kahalechi do. These things never existed at Kurigaslu. All these plants are results of human cultivation. Insanunge mi kabotakati hoduma mi kuramundiya masakketaka changes annamundiya waraka එමිහුන්දිය ටෙක්නොලොජිකලි වෙස් මඩමණු ඇඩ්වාන්ස් ෆාම ඇඩ්වාන්ස්මන්ට්ස් ගේ තේරේග ඉතුරු හෝදුන්තකෙන් හෝදිගෙන් ඒරුනේ ගුදුරතිගත එක්සිස්ට් වමුන්දිය බයි භාවිත selectively breed කොග්ගෙන් නොත ටෙක්නොලොජිකල් මිබුනාහෙන් genetical modifications කෙනස්කෙන් එහෙන් කාල ස්පීසිස් තක related species තක නොත varieties තක බදල් වෙගෙන් දාම්පිෂි එහිසාබුන් Brussels sprouts kahalechi none me kya kiwi fruits kahalechi fruits ke tere hama gina wattarata watermelon kahalechi harmenna hama medu askem vidiya aslo naturally existing by kala fruits bala dar misal kahalechi or simple eche banana kahalechi do banana kahalechi aslo natural existing environment ka kurige wild varieties taka ki aslo it was not fit for human consumption eha mihunna keve gota kannun echi air huri ki ehnames over time through selective breeding and genetical modification it has become the banana as we know it today. Though misalaka seedless varieties we say bole seedless gotang echi me the present way fami huri fruit ke ba not flesh ke ba bodang himene gota ba nutrients values aiko and was kuriga a story wara boda tafat kuriga tere wara ba ottaken hunnana it contains so many pits, so it was not fit for human consumption or not fit for human consumption, and these changes started happening. එම ඒයක වර බෑවරු චේන්ජස් තකෙන් අන්නම් ෆිෂි දෙන් හම එම්ම බොඩු ඉම්පෙක්ට් මීගිතරේ මියයි human population grow ෆිෂි හිසාබුන් production නොත environment ing harmenna me provide ko demun dia amount of change take demand increase wamun dia, so that meant our natural environment was all of a sudden not able to cater increase on their demand. Human consumption waki area increase wegen dia hisabu e hisabege natural environment no ta hisabege landing mihunna provide koddeve wara kabota keti no fedden fishi. So eya vidige mi annam fishi by color changes take. So let's talk in numbers. World in numbers, I will call this slide the world in numbers. Changes to available cropland and forest land over time. Misalaka recent history balala mahinga 2000 to 2018 croplands takanga changes not the forest lands takanga decline ekala by changes the numbers in balala ni FAO ge statistics ke ehi FAO ke food and agricultural organization FAO ge faratum publish mikura statistics ke zariyain harme mi balala ni asami huri changes ta egutum balala over the past from 2000 to 2018 18 years ge terege cropland anga changes a balar 75 million hectares ge increment anga cropland, that means new croplands that were formed a period get this size is equivalent to the twice the size of Japan. And Japan get twice the size, I mean increase we can go see in terms of cropland during that 18-year period. But also at the same time forest land ge Korea forest ge gotugo huri land ge declining as 89 million hectares ge. That's the size equivalent to Nigeria, the country. Africa in a country, Nigeria ke dengam gina kudin nengen dengina befulness again. So Nigeria ge waruge e waruge land area ಗೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಗೊಸೆಬಾನೆ period ಗೆ ತೆರೆಗೆ then estimations me estimations 89 million hectares ಗಾಗನಕ ಗೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಗೊಸ್ಸಿ forest lands ಗೆ ಗೊತುಗ ಹೂರಿ land ಗೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಗೊಸ್ಸಿ. So Indian aslu a land mivani kihinakam visnalanga beje land badalwege midani agricultural lands taka nota urban areas ta develop kurumattaka inga mi hundiri ule sarhadduta develop kurumattaka ekala lands ta me ben kurevigenda alang ufedigenda lands ta ehma a land ge impact mi annani forest ke gotuga huri tantana. Then misalaka available croplands taka balalar misalaka in terms of statistics aneka available croplands ta kihinetto me divide kurevigenda to egen kom ben metto me kurani balalar around 50% is used for cereals, corn, soy, maize, mikalechi, so barley kahalechi, wheat kahalechi, mikalechi hadan gagan ka 50% of the available croplands me benum kurevigenda according to the FAO statistics. Egen aslo gina gaumuta staple food ge gotga benum me kurevni adira cereal ge bavetta nota cereal then derive kure for hunna henihen food sources, food ge varieties ehma e gaganaka available land ge 50% eba benum kure harmen benum wa kabota keti ufatta. Then at the same time let's see how the consumption is varying over time. Though then kabota keti ufedigen anna waka dakkaru kabota keti ufadda waka dakkaru, we have to talk about what the main focus is on. The main focus is on feeding people. Though kabota keti mi ufaddani mihuna kandem wegen mihunge sihi dulahe kammati mihun sihi dulahe kammati betu mattaka emihunge well-being nattaka rangalu kabota keti rakkateri kabota keti mi ufaddan jehne eme gotu anakya statistics balala between 2014 and 2019 5 years ge gap though 5 years ge gap ge terege as ganaka rise of hunger not bha hunu kam banu ha hunu kam ge nisbata balala 60 million more people, 690 million more people are undernourished. 60 million more people go see a category during the 5 years, and 690 million people are undernourished. 2019 statistics about that. So undernourished means emihun benuwa our daily nutrient intake neende yestu no ta emihun excess neende noni invelli beye for whatever reason. Maybe emihun accessible nueveni noni affordable noni ekala bavro reasons ta himen ekala kantata kahedi 690 million mihun increase vejje 5 years tere. Also at the same time the making a double burden of malnutrition. At the same time obesity is also increasing. 2016 this is a 16-year gap. 8.7% of adult population was obese worldwide. Then 16 years later that number has gone up to 13.1. So these are things that we need to think about. Food production we need to think about. We need to think about the factors that's leading to these things. Obesity lead kura causes ke tere naga kiya a major cause fresh fruits and vegetable consumption davun misalaka fiber containing food varieties kahaleches benu kura varu davvegendiyo hema mikalechi davvegen dative iskanden jeheba we have a natural ko mihage kembumuge kantata balahattam ekanka me maintain kureven healthy diet maintain mi kureveni food and easy excess and indege emiheka fasihan fresh fruits and vegetables excess veve waraka emiha bodan egitere wadevendo bodan eve awan ege importance service boda daily diet kitere gete use kureven pashan hisabun overall emihage health and ege impact kurambi fashion. Then anikka some food wastage ge food are related coming hama production are related come food wastage de mi balalani duniyega mi ufedde kabota kitige teren hasukon natural sami balalani fruits and vegetables then hama ko dairy products, meat, fish me huriha chekule veguta food losses and waste facts of balala hum anikas FAO के statistics के तेरे 1.3 billion tons of food is wasted or lost each year. We warabbodu percentage every year total production duniya ke total production ke 1/3 is going to waste. So there is a large percentage. Then me dakkali 690 mihunge incrementing as in terms of hunger, not in terms of undernourishment. Mihuna kabotakathi nolibigen ule varunota nourishment davvegen da varu midani increase vamunne ekam at the same time hama food wastages midani increase vamunne. So sometimes we think about aslu miyolani production davvegenne mihuna echi nolibigen nuwata aguheko echi provide konnu devegen, but me statistic balalima that's not entirely true. Though ever produce koreveba 1/3 waste diyama, that's a lot. 1.3 billion tons of food gewaka medakani roughly. Then there are some causes that contribute to this. Mainly hama komme mihekas control go kureve kala by kanka hunnan control no kureve kala by kanka hunnan egotum balala by factors the balala mahinga komme mihekas control kurevi dana kankan. So each and every one of us has a responsibility in controlling the wastage. Some things that is within our control, some things that we can do. Misalaka some of the wastage contribution is caused by improper storage. Misalaka let's say rangal temperature stock hogen engulenje hasako meat kahalechi, dairy products kahalechi, fruits and vegetables kahalechi mikahalechi storage and handling amenguleve practices a hedive swaraboda wastage increase vegevade. Overproduction misalaka population ka beenuwa waravure itura kabotakati ufadda thive a reason na hedi wastage by increase within the situations tavese bahure. This can be based on individuals to islands to countries to cities to countries and to regions. Eti madmadon hama grow kuremun devidane relate kura population ka gulego. Misalaka let's talk on a household level. Misalaka household ka daily beenuma waravure itura kabotakati ufaddanya, of course it will go to waste at the end of the day. Though then if you want to take let's say one portion of fruit each day and you buy too much, then based on your requirement, if you're buying too much based on your requirement, most of it could go to waste. Ege fruits kahalechi ganige nguler hasako wara boda waste wegen dane avahang echi rangala store no kure vijam. So it can be related egota balanya. Then hama yako ganigen kakka echi gege kakka echi stress e gege ule mihunna beenuwa waran vuren itura kakkani halakwa kahalechi hasako kakkagen echi waste uma kives warabodu wastage. FAO by statistics takun rajya hadafuri service takun dakka gotuga 2014 na hamya rajya ge beful hadafen service takuga collect ko for data in by rasha inge contribute collar buying households takuga around 4 kg food wastage ule daily ko. So that's a lot. The meaty vary one waraboda based on the number of people living in the household. Ehma ekala by data taka ki hama quite staggering. The bihim balalima hitakanna rahem vedane ki ekam, but it's happening. So overproduction and oversized portions okay, you are buying stuff more than that you require maybe daily, and you are trying to fill your plate more than that you will eat. Suppose if you go outside buffet ka tanaka dani, hotel ka tanaka dani, restaurant ka tanaka dani, gosa kaichi some order kuraru, you order more than you can actually eat or more than you actually going to eat. That is also contributing this wastage. Mikia 1/3 ge teriyam hama contribute wa factors me oversized portions. Emihaka beenunuwa wara nota beenunuwa echi alagen kaangolu nota hodagen kaangolu. Then ya community cosmetic factors, cosmetic standards ke gotuga mi mana kurane kala by far carrot kala echi noni vegetable ge bawetta gannan dairu hunna deform we fa hunna chi hasako root crops gets very common. Then taro kala echi potato ginger carrots mikalechi it easily deforms in soil adia faba chivima. So what happens is when a consumer goes to buy these things from the shops, once they see the deformed carrot, they don't want to buy it. But technically the same amount of water was used, the same amount of land was used, the same amount of nutrients were expensed on these crops as well. Reach a form of in a carrot ke evara deform in nature sama mivarang eburi inputs heda kure for resources eburi evara benu kure for age service. එහෙම that's not good inge එහෙම cosmetic standards take by mihunge consumption ge tere gengule tinota by market takuga a consumer based kon echi egota standards ta hunna tive evese contribute to waste ta so that means deform wefa hunna fruits and vegetables are going to waste because nobody is willing to eat them though there's no actual problem with them inge apart from the deformity එහෙම සයිස් කුල හඩිකොන් හොරගෙන් නොත සයිස් හඩිකොන් හොරගෙන් නුගන්නා තිබේ waste contribute පා බෑවස් වරබ්බොට yeah then confusing food labels then this is related to packaging then directly relating to production yeah packaging hunna buying important information misalaka best before dates are use before dates are mikalechi oligen best mi hunna waste ke gotuge කාබෝ තකිතික භාවිතන් උකාලවේ then buying too much then me waka dakkalindo mihage requirement awure ginang asakon expiry dates kalechi balanu levi ginang ganevigen hama food ge kabota kete gina bawetta wastage eba contribute kure nge egota balanu le ganewe tibe then solution mikahala kantataka solution egge gotuga den mi hodeni nota kureveni konkon kantataketto then brainstorm kurum field ge duniya ge ki level ga masake kurami huna den hama national level ge komme gawme ge masake kurami hum wara visnana badus kinekan eti sustain kureven kinetto e gawme ge not e bayge tere en community not population sustain kurani self sufficient kurani do ege tere aswarna concept mi urban gardening no samikia urban farming migas lo main purpose ki urban sarahaddu takuga we don't have access to land as lugina far danduvarikam ge kamek kurama if you are looking to grow something that you want to eat if you are looking to grow crops or if you are looking to keep live animals especially in Maldives rajya we don't have land the urban areas takuga then nagaki urban areas tanaslo ane emme bodu center ki hama capital city male then hulmale kala tantam mi region ge tere mi olani then tankola developed areas the city areas the miharo ebhuri hama ya kaddu city kal tanda formula city was called the fish city kal tanda but huriha city takaka was common factors taken ebahure accessibility to land to farm nge hema mikantata hunna tive e urban area takuga demme mikiya den factors taka hedi kabota kiti ufeddene goittaken ebaje hodam එහෙම වෙගෙන් එබහුරේ වර සිම්පල් මෙතඩ්ස් තක මිසාලක මීග තෙරෙන් අන්ඩර්ලයින් කුරෙවිගෙන් අන්න කොංකොන් කන්තකෙත්තෝ කුරෙවෙනි urban area takuga කාබෝ තකති උපද්දන් කොංකමෙත්තෝ කුරෙවෙනි එගොතුන් ගෙන්ගුලේ බයි concepts මිසාලක community gardens create kurum family farming promote kurum rooftop or backyard gardens use kurum technical gardens then technical gardens me mana kurani emihakan elibe limited area or whatever kind of land that they have ehema emiha been kurana getere modern technology tankola bodu technical gardens getere damiha so that's based on the limited options they have situation then we can street landscaping then street landscaping getere then rajye ge hasako urban cities takuga gina cities takuga adivase ha common non kanne gehenna mas bay rarrashuga wara common kame mi magu matiga hama kabota ketiga bawetta indo then rajyega adives hasako male city ge tantan develop wegen dairu adives e concept tan ha boda adapt nokureve so that means magumati riti kurumattaka mi inda gasgas shade provide koddi mattaka mi inda gasgas eha bodaka mi wani kabota keti libe kala gasgaha kannune mewa libe gasgaha kannune huriha gahe mi wegen dani ginafarama ege ornamental purpose ado aesthetic beauty gastan indige midani egala malan nota ege midi provide kodde shade base kofa but eya hilafa urban areas to develop kuraru gende vidana gengule vidana idea eke ei fruit trees indun ege badalga shade provide kodde gasgahu iturun hama fruit trees indene kahala method kaddiyum then hulumaalege hure kannage java plums do mikiya dambu inda kommes waraka dambu kalechi hure by magu den hama ya kommer jambrol kalechi sesfene by magu takuga hama inda phone nata then hasako flat areas takuga olemunda mi hu flat takuga olemunda mi huna hama libe limited area hure wara rangala kabota ketige bawetta inda which is very good so mege main idea balalan yes so urban gardening ge kobaka main idea ki mege main concept taka ki nuni mege main objective ki aslo kobakan kon kamen hasil kurankan mi urban gardening program me hingani nota mige wahakataken aslu mi dekevani open public nge what's the purpose, what's the service, what's the purpose it's serving aslu e mige and naganje mohimu point ki then by fahara noni gina fahara mewatu ki urban gardening ne bunima gina mihuna mi understand one this is talking about technologically advanced methods take use kurum nge technology ke gotum kuriara fawa goittake beenum kurumuge wahake midakkani urban gardening ne bune but no that's not the idea nge ennon asluga mi program ges maganu maksada ke mi program ge tereng aslo daskodden nota promote kuram beenumani e mihaka libi famina limited resources takege maximum nerene goittaka visnaden daskottino so evedana emiha libi finna kuda balcony come obvious terrace come obvious limited light libe tanek come obvious noni full sunlight libe kal tanek come obvious wind blockages libe tanek come obvious wind protection libe tanek come obvious noni wind protection no libe kal tanek come obvious eme ekala eki situation ge dirala munda mi hun nawwe semi hun hori options takaki ko bakan kiyadi aslu ege tereng emi hun kabo takati ufaddalan on consumption ge emasekke kurevevara එකං කුරාණි කිහිනෙක්කං කියා දිනු වස්ල ප්‍රෝග්‍රම්ගේ මෑගඩු බේනුමකි දෙක මේක තෙරබ දෙ මෙ බුණලි land resource management and water resource management then fenaki hama rajya ganaka warabodu issue en hasako gina rarrashuga ulenyam it's an issue groundwater ya waraboda rely wan henennama city areas takuga meharu supply water supply water desalinated water libe thivegen there is some sort of a solution to the problem supply fan libenyamung it's okay for production but land is still a challenge and still a problem for most of the people living in apartment buildings then as I said before it doesn't mean involving only modern technology hamekani technology beenu kurawa kenu technology is incorporate wane ebba hisabu takun applicable wa tantana komeswaraka hama technology ge advancements tans annane මීගේ වාහකයකි හමයකන urban gardening ne bunima vertical kon echi seddume vesnu then by far in a misconception ne urban gardening ne kiya fa ekala land ge maximize use kuram wegen we are always talking about vertical gardening ne no nge hamekane vertical gardening ne ekanye no focus me kurani vertical ko sedde by crops ta me hunnani vertical ko nohedde crops henna mes kinai vertical ko mi leve echsa ginafara mi leveni hydroponics kala system ge tereng lairu waraboda limit wegendane type of crop so most of the time we are limited to only leafy vegetables vertical kon haddanyam tankol eha bulky kon nehedechi eha bodti fruits nala echi eha bodti size an nehedechi ekala echi tankol vertical system ge tere lage mi heddene so we are limited egota visnanya nge vertical kon haddanyam then once again anna hama vertical system ka danya ya related ko anna ehni hem factors ta misal ka jihigen hunna land noni vertical ko banda mi system carrier the mean land shade wuma ekal kan tatta dimawan full vertical ko da irwase ekal limiting factors tam hore by vertical system takuno ta methods takuga then hama ya ko urban gardening ge concepts ke terege wara muhimu kame mi promoting reusing and recycling of materials available in the environment e maharmen everyday use ke terega mi gengule bike kala materials akaki ginafaran hama rajya ge ukale vechi hasuko plastic waste ke tere mi anna ikala containers taka water bottles kala echis mi kala echis ke mabadus beenum kurmafu single use plastic ke hama beenum kolla ginafara rajya ge ukale vechi and rather than throwing it away you can actually use them as containers to grow your plants nge hema amille kabotaki ufeddumattaka echi beenu kore and then hopefully during this program which we are conducting in Billabong High we will do this nge hema recycling materials beenu koggen recycle containers beenu koggen we will try to find methods to grow plants and that's something we will do during this program and I hope that the students also will come up with some brilliant ideas on how to utilize these waste materials in our environment everyday use materials and then may I comment promote growing food for own consumption then aslo me get main idea the main idea of urban gardening or the urban crop production systems is to produce food for your own consumption rather than relying on somebody else ema ginafara me dimawa kankamaki safe food production and safe food handling is related to your personal hygiene or your personal health if we cannot ensure aharmanna mi libe kabota kitige rakkaterikan aharmanna netiya no te yagin kan aharmanna neti yamun eti indirectly aba contribute kore aharmange well being aharmange health an ege nedevi asar aba kore aharmanna mi libe kabota kitige rakkaterikan aharmanna guarantee no nyanota nenge nyamo coachikam e spray ko fori kongirokon eti hatta fori kihinetto eti handle ko fori kihinetto eti stock ko fori misalaka meat noni fish ka lechige dairy products ke situation ga vejja you have to know how it has been handled through the supply chain inge hema supply chain ge tere eti gengule furigo negenyamu you are not sure you are never sure echi kairu how safe it is inge hema ege kagen eves kala nedevi asare koffane not kurane not nukuran kam eves guarantee ni inde e sababattaka mi jehni anekkaves amilya michi haddan daskoggen heddene gote veto balam we have inge and promote grain safe food providing access to fresh fruits and vegetables then hasako fresh fruits and vegetables this is a very key point ema healthy diet healthy diet ga mihako ulen benu wa kama wanyana to healthy diet komedo nagam benu wa kama wanya it's very important mihaya fresh fruits and vegetables on excess vemu so let's look at an example do misalaka me dharme market gossa ಬೇಣುವಣೆ ಅವರ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಕೊ ಲೆಟಿಸ್ ಕಹಲೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಗಣ್ಣ ಲೆಟಿಸ್ ಕಹಲೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಗಣ್ಣಂ ಗೊಸ್ಸ ಅಹರಮೆಂಗೆ ಆ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಗೊಸ್ಸ ಮಿಸಾಲಕ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಮಿಕಿ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಗೊಸ್ಸ ಗಣ್ಣಂ ಬಲಾಫಿಯಾಮು we don't usually get the impression that some of the leafy vegetables there is actually fresh nge eme e hasako faittarukariಗೆ ಬಾವಿತ್ತ ಹರಮೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಗೊಸ್ ಗಣ್ಣಂ ಬಲಾಲರ್ e doubt indeye e yagin kame ninde nota balala fengeye echi ha taza enunka it's not the producer's fault aslinge fault einani kommen hamekan produce kura miha gennu emiha misalakan echi ufaddafa market hame gennam warak gina process taken nota warak gina waguttaken eba heda wegende ege tere bad transportation we sama war boda rajyega delay wegenda affect eka ema misalaka finikoggen transport kuran jehi kala echeja fininu ko transport gina farami kureveni kandodaturuge kandata hunna gotun market genesis then in the fini koggen consumers hame provide kodde venugote so what they are left is with wilting lettuce to sell to the consumer ngem consumer gannandar me onnani walove fa hunna faittaken hasuko leafy vegetables ge case ga ngem you are not happy you want buy it so you go to a supermarket when you see something better looking you buy that but at a higher price a difference me annani so you can prevent this become prevent kurevidane if you produce these stuff at your home especially leafy vegetables hema leafy vegetables ke tere mehunna ginawattaru takake amille geega heddene echi hema echi amille geega hadda fikamanya demme me kiyadin hesullin war boda salame wegna neerwen komme market ak dakan nujehen komme dohege daily cooking na mi beenumwa ane herbs ganna kan nota leafy vegetables ka echi ganna echi amille grow koggen ekan echi කෙවුමගේ තෙරේ බේනුම් කුරම් ප්‍රමෝට් කුරුම් ඒ අස්ලුමි ප්‍රෝග්‍රෑම්ගේ මෑගණු මක්සදකි එකන්කම් මි දස්කොද්දෙනි කුදින්න නොත මි සිචුවේෂන් ගද මිනි ස්කූල්ල මි ෆහරු මි කුරිය ගෙන්දනි ෆොරතම ස්කූල්ග මි ගෙන්දනි සෝ කුදින්න ප්ලස් කුදින්ගේ ෆරාතුම් පේරන්ට්ස්ගේ තිමාගේ බේෆුළුන්න මි ප්‍රැක්ටිසස් දස්කොද්දේ මි බේනුවනි හස්කො ස්කූල්ගේ ටීචර්ස් ස්ටාෆ් ඔන්න එම අමිල්ල මිචි තයාර කුරාණි කීනෙක්ක මි ප්‍රෝග්‍රෑම්ගේ ප්‍රැක්ටිකල් සෙෂන්ස් සවු තෙරේග මි කියා දෙවි ගෙන්දනි from planting to harvesting and 1 year ge terege irad kureviya mi practices take mi 10 ko devigendani kudinnesha bæveri mi participants ge gotu bæriwa parents and school staff on numbers then main focus is on once again growing for consumption yeah then by concepts taka balalar then rajyas me har taraf wang ule in the near future taraf wang ule concept me ham community gardening ge concept en eba taraf wang so community gardens takugaves aslumi main focus aslu wami jehni emihegge not e bayge consumption nan echi ufeddu so mige main focus ki vfari kurun kama vegge young there is more chances of the project being unsuccessful emege reason ki aslu the limited land area you are getting nge hem awara kuda land area libifa etanunge ufadda echki vfari usulun lari hodan haddan ole echkama vegge ya it will backfire inge heme egin echen neren undaguwa goybar and mes community gardening kahala concepts takuge main idea ki hama a community eka es arhaddege ole community eka everyday user beenuwa kahala vegetable and fruits ke bawettan heddon so a situation ga komme muhimmen nuwane එම්මෙන් ගොස් එකච්චෙන් හද්දාක මිසාලක let's say ෆනරහස් වීහසක ෆුට්ක බොඩු තනේ මේ බහලනි දිහවරක මිහුන් මච්ච බහලා හිතා කාබොතකතික භාවත්තන් හද්දම් මිවුලනි කොමියුනිටි ගාඩන් එක ගොත හද්දම් උලේරු එතාග මුහිම්මෙන් නූනේ එම්මෙන් ගොස් කොපීෆෙන් හද්දාක නුත් එම්මෙන් ගිතියෝ මිරුසද්දා එකහල් සංතා ගෙන්ගුලේ මේ අයිඩියා එක මිහුන් එක එච්චි හද්දා එරුන් එතන ජිහ බල්තවස් දරුවාන ප්ලස් එරුන් මිකොළුන් හද්දා ඇති බේනුවා එහෙම්මිය කුන්නන් දැන් ඒනේ එච්චි බදල් කුරන් මිකොළුන් කොපීෆෙක් කොලදී ෆේනතු මිරුස් කොලන් හොදාෆ දැන් හොරි මිහෙන් අතු හිකඳි ෆෙන් හොදා අනෙක කා රාම්බා ෆෙන් හොදාගෙන එගොතක් ගොස් මේ barter system एक गुड एवत एब्बावते तरुकारी नोत फ्रूटा अनेब्बावते तरुकारी फ्रूटा में बदल कुरानी इट डज नॉट इन्वॉल्व मनी इंगे मलारी इन्वॉल्व नको ए गुड्स के मेदुग मी बदल कुरानी सो दैट्स कॉल्ड barter system एमे गोतंग एची बदल कुरामु एमिहक बेनुवा नोते कम्युनिटी का बेनुवा वर एम्बेम वेगिन मी उफद्दनी एची so that's also a method which is used in some communities in other countries inge hema so ekhala concept of rajyega in the near future I think it's going to happen then vertical gardens takuge some main concepts me buna hen photo mi fenna gota we are very limited vertical system ka danyamu urban gardening nota community gardens the main focus astu daniki kommen fully erected vertical gardens taka kannone but utilizing the limited land area base of then in the method me decide kuranji me visnu warboda applicable lebave hasako malega me gasadda farataka apartment buildings to gasadda farataka they have no access to a backyard most of them they do not have an access to the terrace building a terrace ka they do not have the access access mean hame kan balcony ga what can be done ne nuniyamu then mean technological advancements technology beenukugen then emvejeya emiyan hori kon options taken heye urban setting neg kabotaka ti ufadda so let's have a look at that so before we go there once again let's look at why we are doing this then we have a fishy responding we are talking about wastages there varaboda so once again we'll talk about numbers to get back to the real world yes the key vegan ka meeting muhimmoni why are we talking about food production all the time food production ge wahaka mi dakkan jeheni abadu key vegan kan nota miti promote kuran eha masake mi kurani key vegan kan mi balala mi jeheni anekka infographic ka balala let's say hama let's look at the dairy losses dairy losses ge explanation me ni tankole fasi han grasp kurave kala utka 20% of dairy losses is contributed as food waste annually and this is about 574 billion eggs every day we are eating eggs though breakfast and hama bihekka kujjen hama nuka kujjen madwan noni biscuit and noni kakki bihekka leche ka ko den hama ginawan ema annually aba waste wegen de gag nadaka estimate mikurani 574 billion eggs goes into waste fish in balanyamu 30% of fish and seafood goes to waste this is equal to 3 billion Atlantic salmons salmon na ki fish then ginaku din engage karne then rajyage ha common novious salmon amoko then hama gina hen gawmuta ughas ko river kala tantana excess unna gawms takuga kaam beenu kore then mas rajyage common echenno tankole exotic eche tankole luxury fish gota meti classify minone rajyage jaha resort kala tantana dani do import ko rajyage engule echenno farm kura echenno amko ule echenno so meege gayanka this is equivalent to 3 billion Atlantic salmons 30% fish waste meat waste balalaru meat waste getre account wege midane misalaka kukulu geri kahala eching harbanna milibe meat mahuge bawetta do 20% meat food losses this is contributing 20% meat is contributing around 20% as food wastage this is equivalent to 75 million cows so I'm not going to go into all of these categories but everyday use ga benu kora buying etching examples dakkalam benu we are wasting around 75 million cows each year as waste ege milibe meat eba waste again they have so then general everyday use ka mi kaichi fruits and vegetables ke tere misalaka fruits and vegetables ke losses sama waran hai it's contributing to around 45% total production ge mi kiyani total production ki 100% kama bala ege 45% fruits and vegetables ke wastage ema meege tereng mi adi value addition nan ebba daana hen mas value addition na gina for account nokon hama total waste ke da ba meinani calculate kurefa. So this is equivalent to 3.7 trillion apples. Okay, it's like throwing away 3.7 trillion apples. 45% of fruits and vegetables get food waste. So අනිකස් මියාදවනි main concept inge urban setting ගස්සද්ද මසක කුරාරු නොත කාබෝතකතික භාවිත්තන් හද්දන් උලේරු main misconception එක it's about putting food on the plate and not the money. inge එහෙම මියොලනි ලාරි ලිබේ concept එකෙන් හොදා කරනෝ නොත ලාරි හොදා කරනෝ අස්ලෝග මිකියා limited land area තවක ගස්සද්ද මියොලනි හැම usually urban setting තවක නොත urban gardening concept. The main purpose aki meege rakkatari kaabotaki save food, putting safe food on your plate on your plate. Okay, ema ha rakkatari kaabotaki so fura maccha geneun asu meege magandu beenumaki magandu concept ki ema huriha vishnuwes meege tere gengulemane egota ehem vi maslu ekkala geeterega kaabotaki bavaten haddayru discourage kurani excessive use of pesticides and fertilizers, chemical fertilizers. Ema HG excessive use as discourage kura magandu beenumaki ai. Why are we producing this at home? To make it safe. So if you want to make it safe, you can't have it both ways. You can't keep using chemical fertilizers. You can't keep using excessive chemical fertilizers and pesticides on your food and then say you are going to have safe food. So it doesn't work both ways. If you want to have safe food, you have to have safe food. If you want to have a high yielding big production system, then you go for that. Then in that case emihu ginafara vaane gotaki safe me word compromise one. So pesticides ka hechige tira annamunda avaraka it's difficult to ensure food safety. Okay, but it can be done. Okay, then in the guidelines follow kura kamavanya pesticides and chemicals use kogemes you can end up with good food. Okay, you can end up with a good produce. But quality balahata no to maintain kurang undagoni if somebody is handling your food. If you are handling your food, you have total control over what you are doing. Megas the main concept. So don't focus me program gas no me program get terrain then kuriang ittaga hinga program tagugas aslu main concept kavani revenue and not income libena gote generate kurum and none a concept get terrain concept main beenumaka vegen dani rakkatari kaabotaki ufaddam bike daskoddi eti promote kurum. So that's the main concept of urban gardening. Then kurin dakka like limited options lang hunna mi hu misalaka let's say apartment buildings ka ule kudin no apartment buildings ta utere ule families even they would want to grow something that can be used though every day hama misalaka lettuce ka lechi and herbs ke ka lechi has kon herbs is very expensive in Maldives and you would know around misalaka rosemary thyme basil ka lechi Gandalaka Maunya, it will usually cost around more than 150 rupiah in general. Inge kala herb mix gandalan dairo supermarket. So that's a lot of money. But if you can grow this stuff, it does not have very high demands. And for herbs and leafy vegetables ka halechige ha but demands can hunna in terms of nutrients in terms of other resources gives misalaka light and water gives inge ha demanding and one. So it's easy to grow them. Indoor setup ega technology beenum koge misalaka light system ege dashuga. Let's say ready made hs mihan hure. So it is very advanced now. You have totally automated systems phone manage kolleka systems ta vesure Wi-Fi kon hama mobile tanegga indegen misalaka kanumati indegen mes gega huri gastaka fendi kanadi light just light off kom mi huriya kame kolleve varga systems hure market. Yeah, so it will cost you a bit at the start, but in the end you may find it's worth it to have it at home. Inge komme do ko hs ha bade haradu kurma gore FR expense ha bade expense kolla ganigen de maintain kurevnya it may be worth it for some people. Yeah, mikal systems se hore egetere ekate misalka plant box eden e branding e phone manage kurevgota minani full system. Then droponica kives egota ben kureve system eden hama phone wireless ko manage kureve kahala gota kaina system then minunas wes tankole manual ko manage kureve kal systems as hunnane gega den gega benu kureve kalechi hure hama indo setups tawa full benu kureve kalechi hure dan hama ai ko rajyega miharu hama wararangala mikamu mi khala masake kura faratan eba tibi indo setups ka misalaka Habitus Fresh. If you have heard about Habitus Fresh, they are doing this at, in an indoor setup in a full apartment building nege terega ama light benu kogen grow lights benu kogen lettuce hs then other microgreens addan sprouts kalechi haddagen vikkagen mahama masake kuriyak gendaninge large scale commercial scale. So this is happening. Some maybe we are not aware, but this is happening and this is developing. mikantata develop munda waraka mihun eveyawa munda waraka urban setup takuga aslu mi kabotoketiga bavettan hedden hori opportunities tan aslu dani itura develop wamu. So these are some examples egota beenun kura. Then hamayako land ecolo utilization ge waha dekkiro, if you have a little land in the backyard, in your backyard, or if you have some land in your some amount of land that can be designed like this in the balcony or in the terrace, you can go for something like a vertical system to increase the production if you have it in one line. Then ginafar miwat multiple lines migotan alam vejja kurimbuni hen ekatin anekacha shade wa tibe by far undaguwe e shade wa gahuga e shade wa system ga honna gastan hadda. So there are many varieties. Then egota balalaru ane home gardens taka emme ideally hama ginafara substrate en hunna system en hedia substrate ke mimana kurane misal ka coco peat ka leche sand noni soil noni perlite vermiculite mikal substrate use koggen agasinda hse bodan ideal wani homestead egga use kolla nge homesteads ko use kora. So ege main reason ki aslu ane bodan involve ei ekkanta boda mi gardening ge kantata utere involve wege migitere vaim waraka bodan understand wani aslu mi haddar dimawa challenges taka migen aslu ichche daswege midani boda hands on ko ekan kurevenya. Fully automated echika gosiyama you are very limited, you don't know what's going on, the system is taking care of everything. System masale jehiyama you end up not knowing how to fix it. Okay? So if you are going for a manual method, so you will get a hands-on experience of what's going on. They get some general idea illi benasu kihine kammi mani kame goes ko daga diga. So me hama ege general idea beenun kolle vidan kala by ready made system sore migota tayyar ko fanuni ham komme system e nugata stress sama migota pipe beenun kogen pots beenun kogen amille vertical leche tayyar kore vidan. So hama rajye hama gina mihun tere bule warak creative mi hama lockdown ke tere fenigen dia mikahala automated semi automatic system ta amille tayyar kogen bucket noni PVC holika halechi beenukoge amille system tayyar kogen egen echi wiki faratta bes ule do hame skill develop wegen ai. So mikal skill taka echi develop wegen mi annani tankole hands on ko masike kureve kahala method choose kuriya rather than a full automated system. Then why is there so much wastage? Then hama detere ko icebreaker gota wastage ge waha mi gennani hama miti handan ko dem wege boda. Maybe this is the main focus aslo inge mi asako rajya ke context ga wes den harumenge production varallo we all know that our production is low because we don't have enough land for production. That's one of the main reason our soil is not good enough for to grow some of the crops. Ema ekala bavro limitations abure rajya situation ga vijja land available mi wan gina rarashuga ekam mi anna limitation ki rashuga soil eha rich anno eha rangalennu eha fertile ennu gina bavitto crops tan haddaka. Also at the same time harmenge climate ge waha dakkale vijja kuri session ga harmenge climatic factors tan honna gotum wes by kala crops tan indaka eha suitable ennu. So we are limited to what we can only grow though ekala bayor factors ta contribute kure mikala contributions taka hedi harmenge production minne limit wefa. So there's a we can only grow very limited kind of vegetables in this climate. Again, most of our conventional staple food like misalaka rice noni wheat michi harmennang haddam undaguwan rajyega large scale ko muli population of wawara. So that's a limitation for us. That has always been our staple food the kuri. Then namas ege kuri staple food ge gotko beenun kuramunga misalaka taro sweet potato. Then misalaka ruko milibe kashi milibe ki baver products. Then rukakun ebalibe war baver products do ane diyaha kurum fishing gus rukuralum fishing kurumba kashi then ege ki face takuga milibe ki level ge bavetta nge dehme echita kabotake gotu mi annani beenu koramo. And mesa ege fahun demi fahum me modern demi kya staple echista karmen badal vi rice noni corn den rajyege ha common anonymous rice wheat bodam use kureven he echisa ki harmenna rajyega ever produce kureven oin echisse none because of the land limitation and because of the poor soil etana ekama tannu den inge dehema bodu harade kogen kommekam kurevidan but it may not be at the end of the day feasible inge 5 to 6 kg not the 10 kg rice kilo e miyun hadu gane kulliyaka amilya produce ko ge 40 to 30 to 40 rupiya ganna wima people won't do that though how still imported each deve go one so that's one reason egote kannu koreve ema wastage harmenge beje kuda koram at our level inge hama individual level komme mihekwas wastage me contribute kore waru dakkuran e beje masake kora hema ege factors agutere visnalar hama ingenge beje accessibility den emmenna kan access en nueve aslo kabota ketiga bawetaka den rajyaga vejyamun I think everybody has access but it's more towards the affordability problem inge den hama bay mihunge income දිරියුළුමගේ හල්ත හුන්න ගොතුන් එහෙන්කංකම කුරංජේ හරදු බොඩුවා තීවේ මි තංකොඩ රක්කාතරි කාබෝතකරික භාවතනො තංකොඩ හෙල්දී නියුට්‍රිෂස් ෆුඩ්ඩම් මි කුරංජේ හරදු බොඩුවගෙන් දනි එමුණ නින්නනේ හරදු කුරවෙන් එහෙම ඒතිකොස් මේ රිලේට් වන affordability then transport and distribution then hama global scale එක බාදරහම transport and distribution ගේ channel නොතේ chain ගේ තෙරේග වර බොඩන් අන්නන wastage then hama ගිනෙච්චි waste වගේ මිදනි වර බොඩු බෑ waste වගෙන් දේ transport ගේ ತೆರೆಗ ದೆನ್ ಹಮ AI ಕು ಬಹುರ accessibility ಆ transport ಆ ಗುಳಿಗೆ ಮಿಸಾಲಕ ಬೈ ಸರಹದ್ದು ತಕ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿ ಗೆಂದಂ ಉಂದಗೂಬು ನಗೆ ಮಿಸಾಲಕ ತಂಕೊಳ ರಿಮೋಟ್ ಏರಿಯಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ರಿಕಾ ಕಾಲ ತಂತನು ಗಬದು ಸೆಕಲ ಹಾ ಹುನ್ ಕಮ್ಗೆ ವಾಹಕ ಅಡು ವಾಹನ ಟಿವಿ ತಕ ನಮಸೈ ಏಗೆ ಮೇನ್ ಕೋಜೆಗೆ ತೆರೆ ಬಹುರೆ ಏರಿಯಾ ತ එහා සෙක්ලූඩඩ් කො එහා වකින් හා රිමෝට් සරහදු තව හුන්නා තීවේ එක්සෙස් වෙච්චි ට්‍රාන්ස්පෝර්ට් කරන් ඒ උඳගුවා ගේ එහෙම එකා කන්තතක හෙදිවස් මීහුන් එබතිබේ ඒ ෆුඩ රීච් නුවේ ෆ කාබෝත කෙච්චා හැම රීච් නුවේ ෆ එබතිබේ එමිහුන් දිරියල මුදා හාලතා ගුලිගේ දෙමෙන්නනි පිකි ඊටර්ස් ආ කොස්මෙටික් බියුටි වැලියු ආ එකාලෙච්චිගේ වාහ දැන් කුරින් දක්කාලේ එක ඩිෆෝම් වෙ ෆොන්න එච්චි ආසකෝ ෆෘට්ස් ඇන්ඩ් වෙජිටබල්ස් ආ හෙදි එකාල කන්තතක හෙදිවස් food wastage badeye increase wege ehma me mainly hama visnalanje kantataki then why are we conducting this program that's what I have just tried to explain nge ehma demme mi dakkali huri ha infographic ke gaves then minaga din slide taw huri information taw so main purpose aki mi program hasako urban gardening kiyafa mi kura kanta kurani mi kiwegen kan kudinnan explain koddinu mi session takagen then hama kuriya dairu then mi session naki anem bona kamonya introductory तीन सेशन के तेरे फहु सेशन सो देन इन्ना मामड़ का इंट्रोडक्शन के गोतु दक्कानवा के दें हुन्नानी हम डायरेक्टली कुरंग हुरी मसिके तका गुले गोतुं कुरिय गेंदा सेशन त मिसाल का ओंगिंदुमा हिसाबो फिशिंग वेलिगंड तैयार कुरुमा कंटेनर सिलेक्शन ना फर्टिलाइज कुराने गोता गस्त बेल हेटुमा दिमावा मसाल तका दो मिगोता गोस हार्वेस्ट इन्ना हमें दिमावा हुरी का मच्च दें हुरी सेशन त bahale we can that so if any of you have any question regarding what I have just presented you are open to ask questions now and I will try to answer them em huriya ko dene sama yar sual kollam fursat hulwalan evs kame confused with them kiya denge no itur saaf kollam benwa chain to hum evs participant ka ekal sual chain ya saaf kollam benwa ya fursat hulwal